This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll be seeing how you can create a subdomain using a GoDaddy domain services. So here we have our website and we have a shop page. So here all the products are displayed in this shop page. What if we change this website or redirect this website into shop.peach.cloud.in, which is the shop subdomain of my website? So we're going to see how this is done. So for that, we're going to go to the GoDaddy website. So before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So we are in the GoDaddy account section, and here you will be able to see the domains that you have just purchased. So here you can click on to manage DNS, or you can directly go there and click on to DNS. So we need to go to manage DNS page. And here you will be taken into this DNS management page, and when you just scroll down right here, you will be able to see a forwarding section right up here. So you can either click on to the subdomain. So here just click on to add. You need to enter the subdomain. So mine is shop. So this will continue with the .peachcloud.in, which is the domain, and then you need to forward it to the page. So here remove the HTTP and HTTPS since that is already there. Then you will be asked for the forwarding type. So mine is permanent forwarding, so I'm just going to click onto that, and then the forwarding only. Then I'm going to click on to save. So once that is done, your website will be redirected into the shop page. Your new subdomain will be created. So here you will be able to see there is one subdomain that's already been created. So you can add multiple others as well, maybe admin and in our website. And I'm going to save this. We have created our subdomain, as you can see. So when I just click on to a new website, and I'm going to look for shop.peachcloud.in, and when I just click on to that, I'm directly forwarded into the /shop.page right here. And similarly, we had created the admin.peachcloud.in, and it's taking me to the WP admin page. So that's how you can create a subdomain and redirect that page into any particular page that you want. So this is a very simple thing that you can do using GoDaddy subdomain features, and this is very simple using just two simple steps. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and we'll see another video. Bye.